आज कुछ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में नॉलेज शेयर करना चाहेंगे इंग्लिश में। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, द वर्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन originate from the Latin word constituere, meaning to establish, and from the Latin adage salus populi suprema lex, meaning the welfare of people is the supreme law. A constitution is the framework for the governance of a country which delegates power and authority to the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary. The purpose of the constitution include conferring powers, rights, functions, principles, restrictions, and obligations on individuals as well as the state. It serves maintaining harmonious relations between individuals and the state and within different organs of the state. It is also an instrument for establishing unity, ensuring citizens' rights, setting developmental agenda, and orderly social change. Salient features of the Constitution. Written Constitution and the supremacy of the Constitution. First. Second, Preamble. Narrates justice, equality, individual dignity, fraternity, and national unity and aspirations of the Indian people. Third, Republic. Sovereign country with a parliamentary democracy where people have the right to elect their own leaders and form their own government. 4. Government. India has a federal system of government in which the different states or provinces of the country have powers to make their own laws and decisions. People vote to choose their rulers through election. 5. Fundamental rights and duties. The six rights of the citizens which no government can deny. Denial or violation of these rights will invite judicial intervention. There are also 11 duties to be performed by the citizens. 6. Secularism. The principle of secularism. There shall be no state religion. The government guarantees freedom of faith and worship to all citizens. 7. Individual and impartial judiciary. All citizens are equal before the law. Justice to be ensured to all sections of the society. The Supreme Court serves as guardian of the Constitution. 8. Universal adult franchise. The system of election of representatives by adults, voting right to all above the age of 18. 9. A welfare state provides equal social, economic, and political opportunities to all citizens. Employment and adequate income, food, clothes, shelter, and health care so that the citizens can live a peaceful life. The aged, destitute, weaker, and marginalized are protected and saved from exploitation. 10. It is federal in form but unitary in spirit. 11. It is neither too flexible as so provisions requires special majority for amendment, not too rigid, as some provisions can be amended by a simple majority. Pillars of the Constitution: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Known as doctrine of separation of power, Lord Montesquieu. Thus, the Constitution of India is a public document that is considered as the voice of the people. The Constitution of India is the lengthiest and most detailed compared to any constitution in the world. Today, India is a secular state, a state that does not uphold a particular religion on its own, and Article 25 to 28 give shape to this secularism. It provides for a single citizenship for the whole of India. There is no citizenship for each state. There are 6 fundamental rights in the Constitution.